time.
What? You enjoy like pushing me? That's the thing?
Gotta make sure you're safe. Alrighty guys, keep that head back. Hold on.
Head back. 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? You ready? Look at me. You need to scream when we fly. We're screaming. Ariel, look what you do to me.
You got this.
Wow, look at all this smoke, Ariel. I think the machine is broken. Wow, I think we're gonna fly.
It just bounces 3 times. The first time is the fastest, but right after that it slows down.
Ariel, you're gonna pay for it, I'm telling you. That's because of you.
You want a countdown or a surprise?
You want surprise or countdown? Surprise!
Alright, just a reminder, keep that head back. When
Okay,
I'm
head back, Ariel. What you do to me? Okay, I'm gonna count it. It's nice to do it to your dad. Yes, look what you do to your dad. Wow! Whoa! Woo! Why? I think we get stuck here. I think the machine is broken. Ariel, we're gonna fall. I know we're gonna fall. But you don't care. Your dad is here. Hold my hand! Hold my hand! Ariel, we're falling. We're falling, Ariel. Ariel, you don't care about your dad? Look, we got stuck. We're not moving. What? Ariel, you think we're gonna survive it? Ariel, what are we gonna do? Huh? Faster?
Yeah.
What? מה זה הילדים האלה שיש לי?
It didn't even flip the whole entire thing. It didn't even flip. Now you're gonna go a lot faster. Yeah, I don't care.
Did you like that?
Fun?
Feet off for me.
If I said no, you're gonna give me a refund?
No, sir. Hey, I'll give you a refund.
If I got hurt. If one of
Alrighty guys,
us
if you
got
do go
hurt.
your second time, it is half off for